Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Phanendra. In this video, conicsections TSM 2020 September 11th, Shift 1, Shift 2 questions we are going to discuss. Let us have a discussion. The first question here, if a circle with center at focus of the parabola is such that it touches the directrix of the parabola, then a point of intersection of the circle and parabola is. So here, first given parabola equation. What is given parabola? Y square is equal to 2px. Compare with y square is equal to 4ax, dear students. So here 4a is equal to 2p. So a is equal to 2p by 4. Directly I am writing p by 2. So a value we got it. For the parabola y square is equal to 4x, the focus is the focus of the parabola s of a comma 0. This is focus. So a value we got it as p by 2 only, no? P by 2 comma 0. Focus of the parabola as its center. So this is h, this is k. We don't know about the radius. And one more important thing, focus will become the center of the circle. It's okay. Next, it touches, the circle touches its directrix. Circles touches directrix means equation of directrix is what? X plus a equal to 0. For this equation of parabola, equation of directrix is equation of directrix. Conceptual questions, dear students. X plus a is equal to 0. A value we got it, no, p by 2. So x plus p by 2 is such that it touches the directrix of the parabola. So circle touching x plus t equal to 0. So center, whenever the equation of circle having center 3, 2 and radius we can take it as p. Why? Because the figure will come like this, dear students. Observe carefully. This is Z, this is A, this is the focus. Then you will get idea. This is the circle. Circle touches directrix. This is the directrix equation, dear students. So from focus to Z, from here to here it is A, from here to here it is A. So 2A, radius of the circle is equal to, radius R is equal to 2A. From here to here it is A, from here to here it is A. A value we got it as p by 2 now. So 2 into p by 2. 2 get cancelled p. So radius value p and center h comma k. This is h comma k, dear students. So equation of circle we will write it now. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus p by 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to p square. So you can expand this circle equation. X square plus p square by 4. 2 into x into p by 2 means 2 to get cancelled, minus xp plus y square is equal to p square. So x square plus and one more condition here, parabola equation is what? Given parabola y square is equal to 2px. So substitute in this x square plus p square by 4 minus xp minus 2px equal to p square. So x square plus p square by 4 plus px is equal to p square. So again this is the expansion of x plus p by 2 whole square only. So whenever if you remove squares here, x plus p by 2 is equal to plus or minus p, any one of the sides. So first case, x plus p by 2 is equal to plus p and x plus p by 2 is equal to minus p. So x is equal to p minus p by 2 is p by 2 and x is equal to minus p by 2 minus 3p by 2. So x value we will get it as, and one more important thing, this p value is radius now generally. Here r is equal to p. P value is always greater than 0. So we cannot consider the case. So x is equal to p value is greater than 0 since why? Because it is the radius. So x is equal to p by 2. X is equal to p by 2 and y value we can calculate. Y square is equal to 2px, substitute. Y square is equal to 2px. So 2p into p by 2. So y square is equal to p square. So y is equal to plus or minus p. So find the points on the point of intersection of the circle and parabola. No? So point of intersection pi equal to x comma y. So x value p by 2 comma plus or minus p. So among these two, that means the 2 points are there, p by 2 comma p and p by 2 comma minus p. So I will check it. So p by 2 comma p by 2 comma minus p is there. So according to that third option we have both the answers are correct, p by 2 and minus p. So we will move on to the next question, dear students. The next question, if 8 comma 2 is a point on the hyperbola whose length of transverse axis is 12 and conjugate axis is x equal to 0, then the eccentricity of the hyperbola is, hyperbola equation is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Length of transverse axis, that is equal to 2a, 12 units. So a is equal to 6. So a square obviously 36. This equation is passing through 8 comma 2. So this equation 1 passes through eight comma 2. So 64 by a square means 36 minus y square means 2 square by b square equal to 1. So that implies 64 by 36 minus 1 is equal to 4 by b square. 64 and 36. How many times is going to cancel? So 4 9s are 4 16s. Minus 1 is equal to 4 by b square. That implies 4 by b square equal to 7 by 9. So from this subject, make subject. 7b square equal to 36. B square equal to 36 by 7. A square value, b square value, we know that means eccentricity is equal to root over a square plus b square divided by a square. Root over a square 36 plus 36 by 7 by 36. So root over 36 into 7. So 252 plus 36 by 7 into 36. So root over 288 divided by 7 into 36. Is there any possibility to divide with 36? Just we'll see it. 36 into 8, we'll see that. 8 4 is 8 6 is 48, 8 3 is 24 plus 4, 28. So absolutely 36 ones, 36 eights. So eccentricity is equal to root 8 by 7. So root 8 divided by root 7. Root 8 means 2 root 2. 4 into 2, 4 you can take outside. So root 7. So therefore the eccentricity is equal to 2 root 2 by root 7, which is there in the option C, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. The next question is, if the sum of the distances from foci to the center on the ellipse is 8 root 6. So ellipse equation is this one, dear students. This is the ellipse equation. This is the center. These are the foci. If the sum of the distances from foci to the center, so CS plus CS dash is equal to 8 root 6, and the area of the smallest rectangle in which the ellipse is inscribed, that ellipse is inscribed is, that means this is the rectangle, students. Ellipse was inscribed in this. I hope you understand. The area of the rectangle is given, area of the rectangle. So from here to here it is A dash, A dash. This is B dash. So L into B, L is equal to 2A and B is equal to 2B. So therefore, according to that, L into B is equal to 2A into 2B is equal to L into B, 80 square units, length into breadth. So CS plus CS dash means 2AE. Distance between foci, and indirectly CS dash plus CS means SS dash only. 2AE is equal to 8 root 6. AE is equal to, this is also SS dash 4 root 6. Sorry. AE value we got it here. AB is equal to 20. So here AE value is there. They're asking to find then the equation of such ellipses. So from this, center 0 0 is given. From that only we can do AE is equal to 4 root 6. A square E square is equal to 16 into 6, 96 will come. So B square value, B square equal to A square minus A square E square means A whole square. So from this, either A or B in terms of other we can convert. So B is equal to 20 by A I am writing. So here 400 by A square is equal to A square minus 96. So A square minus 96 is equal to 400 by A square. Cross multiply means A square whole square minus 96 A square minus 400 equal to 0. So 400 factors. So 2 means 2 200s. 5 means 5 40s. Here I want 96 also. No. So 2 200s is okay. 5 40s. Next, otherwise 5 80s also we can do. But I want 96. Factorization, if we do that, 96 I want and 40. 400 factors. So 25 into 16. 25 into 96 it would come. So again 2 into 4. 16, 25. Even 25, 16 also 96 it would come. Yeah, I got it idea, dear students. 400 means 100 into 4 also we can write now. Instead of doing these. So we can write it as a square whole square minus 100a square plus 4a square minus 400. Take common a square into a square minus 100 plus 4 take common a square minus 100. So a square plus 4 into a square minus 100 equal to 0. So a square equal to minus 4 is not possible. So a square is equal to 100. So a is equal to plus 10. Whenever a is equal to 10, here b value 20 by a only, no? So b is equal to 20 by a. So 20 by 10, that is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2. So x square by a square means 100 plus y square by b square means 4 equal to 1. This is the required equation of ellipse. I hope you understand, students. It is there in the fourth option. We will move on to the next question. It's a good question. A rectangular hyperbola passing through the point 3, 2 has its asymptotes parallel to the coordinate axis. See here, the figure will come like this, dear students. These are the coordinate axes. The asymptote equations passing through point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents. Asymptotes means this is the ellipse hyperbola curve. Just I will draw the figure, dear students. This is the hyperbola curve. Tangents, rectangular hyperbola passing through 3, 2 and its asymptotes. Asymptotes means which are like this. These are the asymptotes equations general. But the point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents of the hyperbola passing through 1, 1. So that lines, the tangent may be, so this is also one tangent now, passing through 1, 1. Even this also touches like this, passing through 1, 1. So this is x is equal to 1 line. This is y is equal to 1 line, dear students. So the combined equation of these two, x minus 1 into y minus 1 is equal to some k. We can write it. Why? Because we don't know this equation, rectangular hyperbola passing through. This equation is passing through 3, 2. In place of x, y, substitute 3, 2. So 3 minus 1 into 2 minus 1 equal to k. So 2 into 1 equal to k. So k value 2 only, no? So this value substitute in this. So x minus 1 into y minus 1 equal to 2. So xy minus x minus y plus 1 equal to 2. Xy minus x minus y equal to 1. These values we can take this, dear students. Xy is equal to x plus y plus 1. So which is the required equation of hyperbola. So xy equal to x plus y plus 1, which is there in the fourth option. We'll move on to the next one. If mx minus y plus c equal to 0 is normal at the point P on parabola, y square is equal to 16x. So y square is equal to 16x means here 4a is equal to 16. A is equal to 4. 4 4s are. Next, focal distance of P is 40. Focal distance formula x plus a is equal to 40. So x plus 4 is equal to 40. So x is equal to 36. So after getting the value of x is equal to 36, so y square is equal to 16 into 36. Y is equal to root 16 into 36. So plus or minus 4 into 6. So plus or minus 24 y value. So x comma y values 36 comma plus or minus 24. So this substitute in the line mx minus y plus c. Mx minus y plus c equal to 0. So wherever x is there, how to get m value also? Here that is also a point now. So we know that first time m value how to get it is that line mx plus c is equal to y. Suppose if it is a tangent, c is equal to a by m only, no formula. C equal to a by m. A value 4. By m value we don't know. So c is equal to 4 by m. Substitute in this m, x value 36 plus or minus 24, c value 4 by m. So if you take it m square into 36 plus or minus 24 m plus 4 equal to 0. All are multiples of 4, 9m square plus or minus 4 6 are 4 ones. So quadratic equation in m. 9m square plus, suppose if you take 3m plus 3m plus 1, 3m into 3m plus 1 plus 1 into 3m plus 1. 3m plus 1 whole square. So m is equal to minus 1 by 3. So if we take c is equal to c value, c is equal to 4 by minus 1 by 3. If we take it as minus 12 will come. If we take it minus, I am considering here case 1. If it is considered 9m square minus 6m plus 1, both minus you take it now. So that time 3m minus 1 whole square it will comes. So 3m is equal to plus 1, m is equal to 1 by 3. So m is equal to plus 1 by 3 means 4 by 1 by 3 will come, that will become 12. So c is equal to plus 12, c is equal to minus 12, c is equal to plus or minus 12. If you remove plus or minus here, mod c is equal to 12. So is there option c value? So plus or minus 12 it is not there, we will see it. So here, dear students, here after getting point we can do another way also. Just here verifying. Here the question is normal related, no? So what can we do is, after getting point, this point is there, no? So for the given parabola y square is equal to 16x, differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x, slope will come. 2y into dy by dx is equal to 16. So dy by dx is equal to 16 by 2y, so 8 by y. This is the slope of the tangent. Slope of the normal we want. Slope of normal. M is equal to, M at what point? 36 comma 24. 8 by, y value is what? 24, you take it. So 1 by 3 will come. M value 1 by 3. So the line is mx minus y plus c. Mx minus y plus c equal to 0. M value 1 by 3, that means x by 3 minus y plus c equal to 0. This line is passing through obviously 36 comma plus or minus, no? So in place of x and y substitute this one. So 36 by 3 plus or minus 24 plus c equal to 0. So 36 by 3 means here 12 will come, dear students. So 12 plus or minus 24 plus c. 24 plus c means 36 plus, if you do that, plus c equal to 0. So c is equal to minus 36. And if you do minus, c is equal to 12 will come. But even though c values 12 and 36, that also not there. So we'll see that a standard result is there in IP, that will work out or not. So here the line, the given line is mx minus y plus c. This line compare with lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. So L is equal to m is equal to minus 1, n is equal to c. This line is normal to the parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. Then we have the condition, the condition is al cube plus 2al m square, which is there in the IPA. Second exercise of parabola, dear students. If general method not work out, I am proceeding this way. Plus nm square is equal to 0. So for that steps, so you can apply that, the respective values. So a value 4 we got it here. A value 4. L cube means m cube plus 2 into 4 into m square minus 1 whole square plus n value c into m square minus 1 whole square. So therefore 4m cube plus 8m plus c equal to 0. It is a cubic equation now. In this, the slope value, what we got it in this, at the point 36 comma 24, slope m is equal to, you got it as 1 by 3, no? Previously we did. So once again I will make it for your convenience. Y square is equal to 16x. Differentiate with respect to x. 2y into dy by dx is equal to 16. dy by dx means slope. M is equal to 16 by 2y, that is 8 by y. But normal slope, no? Normal slope m is equal to minus 1 by m. Is equal to minus 1 by m means minus y by 8. At what point we are taking? 36 comma 24. 36 comma 24. Even plus or minus also if you take it. So minus plus 24 by 8, which is equal to plus or minus 3 will come. So normal slope. So wherever m is there, replace with plus or minus 3 whole square. So 4 times of plus or minus 3 whole cube plus 8 into plus or minus 3 plus c equal to 0. Suppose if you are considering throughout plus case, 3 cube 27 into 4 plus 8 3 is 24 plus c equal to 0. 4 7s are 28, 4 2s are 8 to 108 plus 24 plus c equal to 0. So that also 132 equal minus 132 equal to c. If you consider minus, so it will become minus 108 minus 24 equal to plus c equal to 0. So c is equal to 132. So both the c's if you consider, mod c is equal to 132 will come, dear students. Is there option? So 132 is there, dear students. So this is the way. See, IP result only it work out. If this line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 is normal to the parabola, this is the condition. Al cube plus 2al m square plus nm square equal to 0. So that's why IP questions are always important. See, the different ways we tried in this question, it doesn't work, but this concept will help in this. We'll move on to the another question. So another question is here, if x plus 2y plus k equal to 0 is a tangent to the ellipse. What is the ellipse equation here? 2x square plus y square equal to 2, making it the general equation. So dividing by 2, it will become as x square by 1 plus y square by 2 equal to 1. So compare with x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So a square equal to 1, b square equal to 2. So after that, the given line making into the form of ax y is equal to mx plus c. So x plus 2y plus k equal to 0. This line, so 2y is equal to minus x minus k. So y is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus k by 2. So compare this equation with y is equal to mx plus c now. So here m is equal to minus 1 by 2 and c is equal to minus k by 2. This line is tangent to the ellipse. So we know that y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to the ellipse. The condition is c square equal to a square m square plus b square. So c square value is what? Minus k by 2 whole square now. So k square by 4 equal to a square value 1 m square. So m is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4 plus b square. What is b square here? 2. So after taking LCM, k square by 4 equal to 9 by 4. So k square is equal to 9, k is equal to plus or minus 3. So after getting k value, the equation will becomes 2y. Therefore, the equation 2y plus x plus k means plus or minus 3 equal to 0. This line, next what they are asking here, the normal equation at the point 1 by root 2 comma k by 3. 1 by root 2 comma k by 3. At this point they are asking to find normal equation. So normal equation means if you want a regular formula, you can apply a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 by a square. A square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. Otherwise, from here only, whenever it is a tangent equation, this slope is what? Minus 1 by 2 only, no? So normal equation passing through this way, k value what we got? Plus or minus 3. So this point will become 1 by root 2 comma plus or minus 3 by 3. So that's what? 1 by root 2 comma plus or minus 1. This is x1, this is y1. Slope m is equal to minus 1 by 2 is there. Normal slope will become normal equation I am writing directly, dear students. General way for easy to understand. Normal equation, y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus of minus plus or minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by minus 1 by 2 is 2 into x minus 1 by root 2. So take LCM here. Root 2y plus or minus root 2 equal to 2 into root 2x minus 1. So 2 root 2x minus root 2y minus 2 plus or minus root 2 equal to 0. This is the normal equation. We will find out which equation it is. So root 2 so we need to check that, dear students, step by step. One, yeah, here in the question they mentioned k is greater than 0, dear students. That we forgot here. So both the cases not required here. K is among that k value, k is greater than 0, no. So k is equal to 3 only can consider. So here we can eliminate the value of plus or minus chances. So here plus 3 only, it will be 1. So here also instead of writing plus or minus, you can eliminate only plus 1. Here also plus or minus is going to eliminate. So the equation of slope is minus 1 by 2 now. M value tangent is minus 1 by 2 means normal, it will be obviously 2. So y minus 1 equal to 2 into x minus 1 by root 2. So y minus 1 is equal to 2 into root 2x minus 1 by root 2. So what I am writing is root 2 times I am getting cancelled here. So that implies root 2 times of root 2 into root x is 2x minus y plus 1 minus root 2. If it doesn't work, this value, what we can do? So normal equation generally we have in the IP a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1. Sometimes IP formulas only working out now, yes students. A square value according to this a square value 1, b square value 2. So a square value 1, x by x1 value is 1 by root 2 minus b square value 2 into y by y1 value 1, a square minus b square. So 1 minus 2, a square minus b square means. So a square value, b square value, 1 minus 2. So it will become numerator root 2x minus 2y equal to minus 1. So root 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the root 2x minus 2y plus 1, which is there in the first option. See, it doesn't work. Even this is also correct answer, but we need to simplify this. But in IP formula only it is working out. This is the right answer for this root 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. If the tangent drawn at the point P of 4, 8 to the parabola y square equal to 16x and it meets the parabola y square equal to 16x plus 80 at A and B, then the midpoint of chords so they are asking to find the midpoint of the chords. So any idea? midpoint of the chord's formula, S1 equal to S into S double 1, midpoint of the chords. Here the question is, if the tangent drawn at the point P of 4, 8 to the parabola y square equal to 16x meets the parabola y square is equal to, so the figure will come like this, dear students. This is the parabola y square is equal to 16x. Here point P is there, na? P of 4, 8. This is x1, y1. Tangent equation is there like this. So tangent equation. So another parabola is there. This is midpoint of chord. It cuts at the points A and B. Midpoint of the chord's formula, S1 is equal to S double 1 for the given parabola. S is equal to parabola. So first tangent equation you calculate. What is the tangent equation for the given equation of parabola? Tangent equation is y1 minus 2a into x plus x1. Parabola tangent equation. For the given parabola, y square is equal to 16x. 4a is equal to 16, a is equal to 4. x1, y1 is there. So y into 8 minus 2 into 4, 8. X plus x1 value 4. So 8 take common and cancel. Y minus x minus 4 equal to 0. That implies x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Keep it the equation number 1. This is a AB tangent for this, and second curve, it is the midpoint of chord. And midpoint of chord, S1 is equal to S double 1. S1 means this formula only, you know. Y1 minus 8 into, so 2 into A value 4, x plus x1 equal to, what is the parabola equation for the second parabola? Y square minus 16x1 plus 80. So now y1 minus 8x minus 8x1 minus here what we have to do is this is the parabola equation, y1 minus 2a, a means here also 16, a value. For this equation, y square equal to 16x plus 8 is there, na? Here 4a value different, dear students. Why? Because the parabola equation is y square is equal to 16x plus 80, na? So y minus 0 whole square, we can write 16 take common, x minus of minus 80 by 16. So this is 4a. 4a is equal to here also 16 only, a value 4, okay. So for this, y1 minus 8x into minus 8x1. So minus y1 square plus 16x1 minus 80 equal to 0. This equation also making it to the form of ax plus by plus c, like equation 1. So first simplify y1 minus 8x plus 8x1 minus y1 square minus 80 equal to 0. So minus 8 into x. Next here y1 into y. The remaining all 8x1 minus y1 square minus 80. Equation 1 and 2 represent same lines. So their x coefficient is 1. Here minus 8. In this equation 2 minus 8. Here 1. Here y coefficient is y1. Here y coefficient is minus 1. Equal to here 8x1 minus y1 square minus 80 by, therefore equating these two, so minus minus cancel anyway, y1 value will become 8 will come, equating these two. Next equating these two, So minus 32 is equal to 8x1 minus y1 square minus 80. Yeah, y1 value 8, no? So minus 32 plus 80 equal to 8x1 minus 64. That 64 we can take this side. Minus 32 plus 80 plus 64 equal to 8x1. So minus 32 plus 144 equal to 8x1. 142 minus 32. So 2 equal to 8x1. 8 table. 8 ones are 8 fours are. So x1 value we got, y1 value we got it. Therefore, midpoint of chords x1, y1 is equal to p of 14, 8. Once I will see that whether it is there or not. 14, 8 is not there. 8 is there, but 14, 8. So 14, 8 is the right answer, dear students. Midpoint of the chords. So I hope you understand. We'll move on to the next question. Next question is the standard question. It is there in the IP also, this type of question. Find the equation of ellipse with directrix, focus and eccentricity. This is the standard question. Ellipse equation. Here the point you can assume that x comma y. Here focus is s. That focus is 1 comma 2. And the directrix, here the directrix I am taking, not exactly this one. So even here also we can take directrix. So now this is the equation of ellipse. In this, so this is the equation of ellipse. So point is here. Let us consider one point x comma y, and this is the focus 1 comma 2. This is the directrix. That equation is given 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So this is PM. SP by PM equal to E concept. If you apply, you will get it, dear students. Whenever the point is lying on the ellipse, SP by PM equal to E, eccentricity value is 1 by 2 is given. So SP is equal to 1 by 2 into PM. SP means the distance between their x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 1 by 2 into PM, perpendicular distance from that. So mod 3x1 plus 4y minus 5 by root of 25. So squaring on both sides, and then so here 25 whole square, 25 into 50 will come here. 2 into 25 x minus root x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 3x plus 4y minus 5. Squaring on both sides means 2 square is 4. 4 into 25, 100. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 9x square plus 16y square plus 25. 2 into 3 into 4, 24x. 24x. 8 into 5, minus 40y. 15 to the 30. So 100x square. Next minus 200x 101 100y square minus 400y plus 400 minus 9x square minus 16y square minus 25 minus 24x plus 40y plus 30x equal to 0. So first x square, 100x square minus 9y square, so 91x square. Next xy term. So xy term here 24xy will be. So minus 24xy. Next y square term, 100y square minus 16. So what will come? 84 plus 84y square. So 91 84y square minus 24x is there. Next x terms. So minus 200x. Here 30. So minus 170x. Minus 400y. Next plus 40y. So minus 360y. Later on, constants. We will move to the constants, dear students. 400. Next 501 will come. 501 minus 25. So 500 minus 25 means 475. That also one increase. 476. That also plus 476. We will remove this. Rough work is equal to 0. So 91x square. All 475 is there now. So not this is 100 only, dear students. Sorry, 100 into 1. I added 100. 500 means 475. So 91x square plus 84 is minus 24. Minus 170 minus 360 plus 475. So which is there in the B option. I hope everyone understand. Just general definitions. So based on the questions are very easy, dear students. Only thing is we need to do that. Focus on it. Okay. We'll move on to the another question. These eccentric angles, we have one formula in ellipse. I will give one shortcut formula which is also there in the IPE. Just I will revise. Yeah, the next question, dear students. If pi by 3 comma theta are the eccentric angles of the ends of the focal chord of the ellipse, then tan theta equal to, is a good question. In IPE, we have one important result. If theta 1 comma theta 2 are the eccentric angles, of the ellipse, of the extremities of the focal chord of the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, a is greater than b, then we have two important properties are there in the textbook example. Based on this, the question given in the MSET, dear students. You remember both the standard results which are very important. E into cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 divided by 2 is equal to cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by 2. Second result is E plus 1 by E minus 1 is equal to cot theta 1 by 2 into cot theta 2 by 2. The second question is applicable for this question, dear students. Here this is the theta 1, this is theta 2. Theta 1 is pi by 3. So eccentricity value we need to calculate for the given ellipse. X square by 16 plus y square by 12 is equal to 1. Eccentricity E is equal to root of a square minus b square by a square. So root over 16 minus 12 by 16, which is equal to root 16 minus 12 is 4. 4 by 16. 4 ones are 4 fours. So 1 by 4 means 1 by 2. So eccentricity value 1 by 2. So substitute in this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Cot theta 1 value pi by 3. Pi by 3. Cot pi by 3 by 2 means pi by 3, pi by 6 will come, dear students. Into cot theta by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. By minus 1 by 2. So minus 2 by 1, which is equal to cot pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 180 by 6 means 30. Na? So cot 30. I want theta in terms of theta. Na? Cot 30, tan 60. Both are root 3. So cot theta by 2. So here 2 to get cancelled. Minus 3 is there. So minus 3 by root 3 is equal to cot theta by 2. So root 3 times is going to cancel. Therefore, tan theta by 2 is equal to reciprocal of this one. So minus 1 by root 3. So after that, they are asking tan theta value, dear students. Here the question is tan theta. So tan theta in terms of tan. Tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So 2 into minus 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. Directly I am writing. So minus 2 by root 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 3, which is equal to minus 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2, 2 to get cancelled, root 3 times, minus into root 3. So therefore tan theta equal to minus root 3. It is there in the first option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move on to the next question. So this is also a standard result. I will give the shortcut formula. An equilateral triangle, here equilateral triangle they mention, lie on the parabola, all the vertices of the parabola. So this is the parabola curve. So equilateral triangle like this it forms. So A, B, C. So this length, equilateral triangle means all units is A units only, no. This parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Whenever parabola is given, y square is equal to 4ax, they are asking to find length of an equilateral triangle side of the side of the length of side of an equilateral triangle, which is inscribed in the parabola is 8a root 3. What is a here? From the given parabola, y square is equal to 16x. Compare with y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 16. A is equal to 4 now. This 4 value substitute in this. 8 into 4 into root 3, that is equal to 32 root 3. In previous videos, I have given proof of this type of question once you go through, dear students. Here, shortcut formula. This is the shortcut formula to do this type of problems. Keep in mind and work out. So the first option is the right option. Thank you, dear students, for watching our channel. In the next video, I will give it in the next, I think two videos are there in the conic sections. This is the third video.